Hello everyone and welcome to episode 3 of my series on what you need to do once you turn on your PlayStation 5. Today's topic will be your online multiplayer profile and your PlayStation Store account and the services you have already subscribed to on your PlayStation 4 and what you need to do to transfer them to your PlayStation 5 along with your friends, your trophies, your funds, songs, music, compatible games, everything downloaded on your PlayStation 4 account can be used on your PlayStation 5. So, we're gonna start right off. Once you turn on your PlayStation 5, it's going to ask you to go ahead and plug in your controller to your PlayStation 5. So you're gonna plug it in and press the PlayStation button. And then you have to connect to your router and then update your system software. And then once you update your system software, this screen will be prompt where you will be asked to sign into your account using your sign-in ID, which is your email address, and your password. If for some reason you don't have access to one of these, PlayStation introduced a new method this year which allows you to sign into your PlayStation using the PlayStation app. So if you already have your PlayStation app on your mobile, you can just, if you're already signed into your account, you can just scan this QR code and you'll be able to sign into your PlayStation 5, or you can sign in anyways and then sign in this way. So what you need to do once you open the PlayStation app, go to the settings and go to console management and then sign in on PlayStation 5. Once you click on that, it will show you a screen where you can scan the QR code or enter the code manually. And once you do that, you will sign into your account. Now, if you want to change your online ID, you don't have to create a new account. You can go to the online ID on the top right and then hit profile and then edit profile and then go ahead and change your online ID. This way you don't have to create a new account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Peace.